Yeah, a very historic tree here was lost years ago. Pete Dye, he put a T right underneath a big oak tree and it gradually leaned and then it eventually fell. It's very famous and we lost it, so as we're working on this restoration of TPC Sawgrass, moving the tree was a big topic of discussion. It's an honor to work with Environmental Designs. They've done so much great work on so many historic golf courses. I've grown up watching them move trees around on famous places, so they're the only choice for us for moving this big tree.